Hi, I'm Sunita Tekchand and I'd like to explain to you a little bit about hand reflexology today, and we're going to talk about the spine. So if you see here on the chart that the purple area here is to do with the whole spine, starting from the coccyx all the way up to the cervicals. The arms and the shoulders are here on the little finger side. So if you ever want to help yourself from any spine issues, just start here by going to the little finger side, right at the edge over here, and start thumb walking all the way up here. Really be strong with your movements and hold it all the way up to the cervical, and again start again from the base and go and do this several times so that you really start feeling some relief on the spine. For the arms and the shoulders is right here where the little finger is. You just go in there and just do some deep presses here, and you can actually feel it because it's hurting me and I do have shoulder problems. So literally do this a few times every day, and you can repeat the same on the other hand, and this will help your spine and your arms.